How to fix a broken zipper. Does your zipper currently look like this? Is it broken, stuck, separated, or fallen off the track completely? Don't throw the item away. It's incredibly easy to fix. All you need is a flathead screwdriver, some pliers, and a pair of scissors. Step 1. Take the item with the broken zipper and place it into a raw chicken. Place the chicken onto an oven tray, then place it into the oven. Set the temperature to 220 degrees Celsius. Fan forced. Roast for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Remove from oven. Remove the item from the chicken. Careful, it's hot. Inspect the zipper. Still broken? Don't stress. Try this. Throw item on floor. Add egg. Mix thoroughly. Add mushroom. Mix thoroughly. Add capsicum. Mix thoroughly. Add tomato. Mix thoroughly. Add onion. Mix thoroughly. Add bacon. Mix thoroughly. Place a pan onto your cooktop over medium heat. Place the omelet mixture into the pan. Add salt and pepper. Cook for 5 minutes. Flip. Cook for another 5 minutes. Remove omelet from heat. Serve on a plate. Careful, that's incredibly hot. Inspect the zipper. Still broken? Don't stress. Try this. Take your scissors. Cut off the zipper. Place it into a raw fish. Place the fish onto an oven tray. Squeeze fresh lime over the fish. Do not squeeze fresh lemon onto the fish. That may damage the zipper. Only use fresh lime. Heat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius, fan forced. Roast the fish for 45 minutes. Careful, that's incredibly hot. Inspect the zipper. Still not fixed? Try this. Mixing bowl, cake mixture, egg, water, butter, broken zipper. Mix thoroughly. Transfer to cake dish. Bake in oven at 180 degrees Celsius, fan forced for 30 minutes. Serve the cake. Take out the zipper. Careful, that's incredibly hot. Inspect the zipper. Still not fixed? Try this. Perfect! You've successfully fixed the zipper. If it breaks again, simply repeat all the previous steps.